Hello guys! We're going on the mountain. So, hindi naman kami mag-i-ski pero kailangan proper ang attire. So, actually naka-warmer na ako. So, I have 2 layers lang. I have here my warmer. So, heat tech. So, it's really warm. Tapos itong ski hose ko. What do you call that? Ski hose or ski pants. Yeah, it's also really warm. Hindi ko na kailangan ng underneath. Pero yung aking socks, look at my socks. That's a proper ski socks. So, ano siya, waterproof and it makes you really warm during the time na nandun ka sa mountain kasi it's around -degrees today dun sa peak na pupuntahan namin. And then I have my fleece as my second layer is my fleece. And then, what na my ski jacket. It's really light actually. Nabili ko lang to ng sale. So it's also waterproof and windproof. And then, look, meron siyang kasamang extra, what do you call that? Parang extra gloves. Tatakpan yung aking mic. So, ready ka na sa top of the mountain and warm ka na pagdating doon. Actually, for me, warm na ako dito. Kasi it's really warm talaga itong jacket na to. Tapos marami siya mga bulsa. You can put your... Wait a minute. You can put your ski pass here para kapag dadaan ka dun sa mga cable car, i-press mo na lang siya ng gano'n. Tapos mag-open na siya. Tapos marami siyang mga bulsa. This is my gloves. Yan, kasya na yan siya dito. Ready ka na. Actually, medyo makapal siya. Kasi lamigin yung kamay ko. Kasi yung pinaka-importante sa akin. Yan. And also, I also have the windproof. This is the windproof shawl or cover. And you can also cover your face kapag may snowstorm. You could cover like that. Diba? You can do like that. Or pag nag-ski ka, diba? Cover like that. Actually, hindi naman ako mag-ski. Or you can put it up. Pwede mo rin siya i-cover ng ganyan. Pag nilalamig yung ulo mo, pwede mo siya i-cover. So, multi-purpose siya. Pwede mo yan siya i-ganyan. So, diba? Pwede mo yan siya ganyan. Actually, pinapawisan na ako. Kasi, ang warm niya na nandito pa kami sa apartment. So, ayan. Ayan po ang aming mga outfitan dito sa Switzerland kapag winter season, kapag pupunta ka sa mga mountains, kapag gusto mo mag-hike. So, today mag-hike lang naman kami. Ubarin ko muna kasi warm. So, ayan, hindi naman kami mag-i-ski. Hike lang kami. So, mini-hike. Magka-cable car kami up there. Anyway, guys, if you are new to this channel, this is me, Anyam. So, medyo matagal po ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Really sorry for that dahil medyo busy po tayo sa work and then meron mga side hustles na ginagawa, syempre. But I'm back and I'll show you winter in Switzerland. So, ngayon maganda yung weather. So, this is just an spontaneous trip kasi holiday today and often ang aking partner. So, naisipan namin na to go up on the mountain and just have a fresh air and white snow. White naman ang snow, di ba? So, yun. See you there, guys. Bye! So one of the advantages if you live here in central Switzerland is that you can easily access going to the nature, going to the mountains kasi magkakatabi lang sila. And also kapag ganyan, pag maganda yung weather, you can do spontaneous trip. And also dun sa mga peak ng mga Alps, sa mga mountain na gusto nyong puntahan, for example, actually may mga webcam doon na naka-install. And then makikita mo siya online, internet, kung ano yung itsura sa taas, kung maganda ba, kung worth it ba pumunta doon o hindi muna. So ano siya, very practical para sa mga gustong mag-hike or gustong mag-ski during the winter season. So we are actually going to Kleven Alps. So as you can see, meron silang live webcam. So this for example, ayan, makikita nyo kung sunny ba sa taas, kung clear ba ang sky, kung maganda ba yung slope, kung crowded ba. So as you can see, clear yung sky right now and ang ganda nung slope ng mountains and talagang puro snow na siya sa taas. So it's a perfect time to ski and it is perfect time para mag-enjoy lang sa taas. So perfect yung weather today. So maganda talaga tong webcam na to. Ang ganda ng weather. So super blue yung sky and yung Alps. Super ano na siya, wide na talaga siya yung top niya. So anyway, going there, we just took this train and one stop lang from Lucerne train station. Bababa kami sa Stans. Tapos from Stans, we are taking the bus going to Beckenried. So we're here na sa bus. So from Stans, if you get off Stans, nandun na yung mga buses. Nag-aantay na sila going to Beckenried. So hindi na kayo maglalakad. So we're getting off na here sa Beckenried. Anyway, there's also another way you can come here sa Beckenried is through boat from Lucerne. You can also take the boat and get off sa Beckenried. So hindi nyo na kailangan mag-train and mag-bus. In case kasi today it's a holiday here. So yung mga schedule ng boat is every 1 hour lang. So hindi namin siya kinatch kasi sayang naman kung mag-aantay kami ng 1 hour. Kaya ano na rin lang kami. Nag-train and bus na rin lang kami. Overall naman, it's only around 1 hour and 15 minutes lang naman going there. So we are here on the top of Stockhote Klevenalt. So the weather is actually not so cold. Hindi masyado ina-expect ko mga around 0 degrees. Pero it's parang mga around 5 degrees lang. And here, ang ganda ng slope nila here. So pwede ka mag-practice ng ski here.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with
So
the
here you can see the green one. There are the slopes that are open. Pwede kayo magpunta and ski on that area. Mga green na nagbe-blink. Yan, pwede siya, open siya. Mga area na yan. Siyempre doon sa pinakamataas, medyo dangerous na yan. Kaya kinlose nila. So yan, yung mga green yan. Pwede ka pang mag-ski and mag-walk there. Or may mga trails pa dyan. Yan. Tapos mga restaurants na open. May mga activities. And actually, it's not so cold today. It's only 7 degrees. So, Pwede ka mag-practice ng ski here, snowboarding. Yan, pang ano siya, pang kids. Kid-friendly yung area. So actually, meron na rin akong vlog here before during summertime. So you can watch it here, guys. So makita nyo yung scenery niya kapag walang snow. So that's the good thing kapag 4 season yung weather. Kasi nag-iiba yung itsura niya. Tingnan mo parang ito, parang everything is white. Before nagpunta kami dito, everything is green. So ngayon, super white siya. So, yeah. Lovely to Schlitten. So yan, here yung may mga trails. Kung gusto mo ng mga trails. Yan, ako sa 20.1 kilometer. Cottage shoots. So, yan. Kailangan ng shoes mo here is proper snow shoes. Yung talagang makapit. Para hindi ka madulas-dulas. So, ayan. Ayan pang kids siya. So, dito nagpa-practice yung mga kids. And here sa Switzerland, very common yung mga bata. Kailangan natututo na sila mag-ski. So, ang pinakabata siguro 3 years old, 2 years old. Yan, nakikita mo. During the winter time, ayan ang kanilang activities. Nagpupunta na sila to learn skis. Kasi yan is isa sa mga sport nila during winter time. Look kung gano'n kakapal yung snow.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me.
So, kailangan pag pupunta kayo sa mga gantong top of the mountain, talagang naka-proper gear kayo. So, huwag kayo magtipid sa mga jacket. Dapat magandang quality para hindi kayo magkasakit. Dapat talaga warm. Look, as you can see dun sa kabilang part, yun na yung mga pang-adult. Kasi mas ano yung slope dun, mas matataas na. Mga experience skier na yun. Wow, ganda ng slope talaga. Ganda ng snow, very pino. Meron ding guard. What do you call that? Kung merong lifeguard sa mga tawag nito dagat, ayan may lifeguard din sa snow. It's such a beautiful view. Grabe, last time nandito kami, it was all green, summer, and now it's all white. And as this year comes to an end, I can't help but feel so thankful and truly grateful for the peace I found here, for the opportunities that came my way, and for a year filled with abundance, in growth, in clarity, and in moments that reminded me what really matters. Well, Switzerland isn't just where I live right now, it is where I learned to appreciate life again. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in this journey. Anyway, that's it guys. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo to this mini vlog. So, maglalakad-lakad muna kami and then maghanap kami ng rental areas para Schlitten kami later. So, ayun. If you guys want to visit this place again, this is Klebenaltstockhütte. So, this is only 1 hour, 15 minutes from Lucerne. So, this is just, parang mini paradise area. This is not a touristy. Itong usually pinupuntahan ng mga locals here, ng mga taga-Central or Central Switzerland or taga Lucerne. So anyway, thank you so much and yun, happy holidays to everyone. Ciao, merci, adieu, bye guys, bye bye, ciao.